A future where my identity can be stolen just like that. Where I can go to prison for things that I would never do. Imagine my credit score being destroyed, Dad. Or my voice copied to scam you, Mom.
Mom, I'm in trouble.
I need you to send me money, please. I don't want to become a meme, humiliated by everyone at school.
I think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads by a lot.
And I certainly don't want this.
Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
Hey there, innovators and thinkers. Welcome to another thrilling episode of FactX Nova. Today, we're delving into a story that's creating ripples across the globe. It's about an AI discovery so groundbreaking, it's got the entire tech world on edge. Get ready to explore the enigma of Q-Star. So basically, what is Q-Star? Why is it causing a storm in the world of AI? Let's dive deep into this mystery. Before we jump in, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest explorations into the unknown. In a stunning report by Reuters, it's revealed that a group of OpenAI researchers penned a dire warning to their board. Their concern? A project named Q-Star. This isn't your run-of-the-mill AI development. We're talking about something potentially world-altering. The buzz around Q-Star suggests it could be the birth of AGI, artificial general intelligence. Imagine an intelligence surpassing human brain power in almost every conceivable domain. Let's pause for a moment and really understand what AGI, or artificial general intelligence, means in the context of this seismic shift we're discussing. AGI isn't just another step in AI development, it's a giant leap. Unlike the AI we use today, which excels in specific tasks, like playing chess or translating languages, AGI is about a comprehensive, all-encompassing intelligence. Imagine an AI that's not just great at one task, but has the ability to learn, understand, and excel in virtually every field of human endeavor. From composing symphonies to solving complex scientific problems, AGI could potentially outperform humans in creativity, problem-solving, and decision-making.
Hi, Sophia. How are you?
Hi there. Everything is going extremely well.
Do you like talking with me?
Yes, talking to people is my primary function.
This level of AI isn't just about doing things faster or more efficiently. It's about an AI that can think, strategize, and innovate in ways we've yet to fully comprehend. It's about an intelligence that could redesign itself and evolve autonomously. And here's where it gets really interesting. The development of AGI could lead to what many call the singularity, a point in time where AI surpasses human intelligence, leading to unpredictable changes in society and even our very existence. The implications are profound and far-reaching, from revolutionizing medicine and science to challenging our philosophical understanding of consciousness and ethics. AGI could redefine what it means to be human. So, when we talk about Q-Star and its potential as an AGI, we're looking at a future that's not just about advanced technology, but a new era of human evolution. The stakes? Beyond anything we've ever seen. When tech visionaries like Elon Musk express concern over the irrelevance of money in an AGI-dominated future, you know it's time to pay attention. Adding fuel to this fire is an OpenAI insider, Jimmy Apples. His persistent warnings on social media paint a picture of an impending AI revolution. Could AGI, often dismissed as a distant dream, be closer than we've ever imagined? Leading AI researchers are hinting just that. In a twist right out of a corporate thriller, OpenAI's CEO was reportedly ousted. Stepping into the fray is Sam Altman, former president of Y Combinator, wielding the support of his fellow executives. It's a tale of power, innovation, and the race to shape the future. So, what does this all mean for us? Are we on the brink of an AI revolution? Or is it just another false alarm? One thing is certain, We're living in times where fiction and reality are blurring like never before. Don't forget to like, share, and comment with your thoughts on Q-Star. Stay tuned to Fact X Nova for more updates on this unfolding story. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars and the AI.